Welcome back again. Today we are going to see how to type a research article or scientific papers in LATEX. Okay. So before proceeding further, let me show you how a scientific paper looks like. This is one paper I got published in 2021. You can see this paper. So this paper or every paper, every research article should contain one title, just like here you can see this one title and the name of the author or authors, if there are so many authors. And then there is a abstract. Abstract is a brief of research work, what you have done or what you are going to do in that research paper. Okay, and then some keywords are there. Keywords are just like if you are writing about something, Pythagoras theorem, then Pythagoras theorem, then Pythagoras triplet, something. These will be the keywords, and this is subject classification that every subject has some subject classification. Okay, and then we have introduction, and this number is coming automatically. This is introduction, and then in that introduction I have written something, some history kind of thing, that about geometric function theory in complex analysis. And there you can see also some numbers are appearing, 11, 27 and 1. So they are references, and there is a linking between these and references. So once I click here at 1, it will redirect to this page. So at number 1 we have this reference. This is the name. These are the name of the authors, Aliman and Constantine. And then this is a title, and this is a name of the journal where published, and this is the volume number and page number and year. Okay. So let us go back. This is the introduction, and then in the bottom, this is dedicated to some professor. This is optional if one wants to dedicate, and then communicated by. This is a these all things are done by the publisher. Okay, or the publisher of the journal. So this is my name, and then email ID is there, and then my affiliation is also there at the bottom. So this is a published online on 22nd April 2021. So of course these will come when we are when my paper is published. Okay. So initially all these will not be there, except a few things just like address and all. Okay. So this continues, and then we have some equations. We are giving some equation numbers also. Okay, then at the last we are using some lemma which are going to be used for proof of our results. And then section number 2, I'm going to talk about, or I'm going to do some investigation on Hermitian Topliss determinants. Okay, so there are theorem numbers, theorem 2.1, and then we have proof, theorem 2.1, and then proof. And this theorem number is automatically coming, theorem 2.2, and then we have proof also. And then so many cases are there. So just like this, theorem 2.3, and then we have 2.4, and then proof, theorem 2.5, 2.6, so many theorems, 2.7 and 2.8, and their proofs also. And at the end, there is an acknowledgement that author used to acknowledge the funding agency, or in case sometimes if someone has given you help in writing article or in doing research in this particular paper, so you can write this acknowledgement section. And then we have references. Okay, so many references are there. Okay, so this is the structure. Initially when I sent this paper, this was of the this was looking like this. So this was the title, and then my name, and then abstract, then introduction. You can see the change, how they publish and how I send. I send them like this, but they published in this form. Okay, so actually they have their own template and design for publication. Fine. So we will see how to write a paper like this, title and name. Some many things you may be knowing, that how to write title and then name and then abstract and then introduction. You know the how to make the section. Okay, and then you can see in the bottom keywords are coming, classification and corresponding author. Corresponding means who is going to who has communicated the paper. So his name is he is a corresponding author. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, and then at the end we have references. Okay, fine. So let us see how to write this, and affiliation at the end. It is coming at the end. And once it is accepted, I need to convert this template, this format to the format of journal. Okay, and sometimes the publisher or journal, they ask before submission, they wanted to convert this format to their format, and after that they start reviewing process. So let us see how we can write an article. So let me start a new project, a blank project. Let us see. So let us write article. So this is the project name I have given. Fine. So this will give us a blank page. In fact, blank project. Otherwise, I can search some template, ready-made template from here also for writing our research paper. Okay. So let us wait. So this has come. Fine. With the default name main. Okay, you can change it. Let us write article. Okay, uh, article or research paper. Let me write research paper. You can also use name, or you can also write like this: research papers, research underscore paper. Okay. So initially you can see there are one section, introduction kind of thing. Okay. So this is not needed as of now. And usually we use AMS art. Let us use AMS art. AMS art. American Mathematical Sciences article. Okay. Article is just a simple article, and it has no very less packages, in fact. But AMS art has so many packages already included in it. Okay. So this is the title, writing research article in LaTeX. And then author name, let me write here author name. So Virendra. And then, other things, what other things you can write? Address, \D address. Okay. So in address, I can write a department of mathematics. And then I can continue, or I can, okay, let me write comma and then start. Ramanujan College, Ramanujan College, University of Delhi. University of Delhi. Delhi 110019. And then of course we can write email. So I have also typed email, and then make title is there, then introduction. Of course we don't need here date, so let us insert comma, and then let us see first output. you can see this is output. Okay, so desired title you can change. This is up to you how you want to change your how you want to write your article title. Fine. By default, it keeps in caps everything whatever you are going to write in the article, in the title. Okay, and your name as well. Fine. And this section will be coming here only in the center with number. Fine. So let us okay, address I didn't, so we will see later on. Okay, so we have begin document and then we have end document. Before that we have make title. You know the functioning of make title. Let us write here begin abstract. Begin abstract. So here begin abstract and end abstract. Write here abstract of your findings. Okay, so you can see the output. So there will be abstract. You can write here the mathematical expression and all. So many things you can write whatever you have written earlier. Okay, you see here there is a address of my that is affiliation. My affiliation is here, and then email address is also appearing here. Fine. So this is the basic structure, and then let us include this. Then we have a section introduction, and then we can make another section of the main results. Okay. Another section we can make. You can also use subsection and all. Okay, they will be automatically enumerated. That is, there will be some numbers before them. Okay, and then the main results. Suppose we are writing. I am writing here 2. Here I am writing 1. Okay, so 2 section I have made, and then we need to give some references as you have seen in my PDF. So for that we need to begin the bibliography. Okay, begin the bibliography. So begin the bibliography, and then bib item is there. Here in the bracket, if you are having only 10 references, then you need to write 9. If you have up to 100 references, more than 10, up to 100 references, then you need to write 99. So this is just for if you are writing like this, then it will adjust the what is called indent and all in the references. Okay, fine. So we have no references until now. Let me put here some comment here. So after that I will show how to make the references and citation and all. So many things he can do. So here we have a title, and then author, name of author, and then abstract is there, then introduction, then main result, then main result 2, then references. This is the basic structure of a research paper. Sometimes we need conclusion and all. Suppose you want to write some conclusion, so write here section. Okay, then here write conclusion. Conclusion. So section, if you are writing section only, if you don't want any number here, then you just type star here after section. Okay, then let me write here. Write conclusion of your results. Fine. Sometimes we also need to write acknowledgement. So let me copy it, and without without number. If you don't want number, then put here is star. Okay. So acknowledgement. Acknowledgements. Okay. Right. Acknowledge. I think I missed W. Okay. Right acknowledgement. Yeah. Okay. Let us execute this one, and then we see. Fine. So here we have a title and everything is coming. Then here section here, conclusion here. Conclusion is also centered. Okay. And then this is also centered, but there is no number before this. Okay. Conclusion. We have not given any number. In fact, this star prevented writing any number before conclusion and acknowledgement, and also for section for conclusion and acknowledgement. And so here we have a structure, basic structure. Let us now let me tell you how to insert some picture and all, and let me copy some content here also. So for example, if I'm trying to make it, write a paper on Pythagoras theorem and all, so let me take something from here, some content from here. Okay. Let me take let me copy instead of typing. Okay. I have copied from here. So let me paste in the introduction or in the abstract itself. Okay. The abstract. So okay, let me remove this one. Okay. So let us see what is you can see here some abstract is there. Fine. Nicely, it is coming nicely. And then we can, in the introduction section, let me copy from here this theorem, and then there is some mathematical expression is there. So let me copy and paste from here in the introduction section. Okay. So we have something. This expression you see automatically from here it is taking a math display. Okay. So let us use double dollar for it here. Okay. So let me put comma and double dollar. Okay. So here is some reference number 1. So I will tell you how to give the references and all. And let us see more thing. Okay. There is no other mathematical symbol is there. So let us run this one. I think there is something, a dollar missing or what is showing. Let us see output first. Okay. So here we have abstract, then we have introduction. This theorem can be written as like this. Okay. So we have these two expression. Both are the same, I think. Okay. So and other things are just text. There is no mathematical symbol and okay. Let me see the expression here. Okay, so there are two expression. I think both are the same. So let me remove one. Okay. And then we have reference, one reference. I will tell you how we can cite that reference. Okay. So I think there is no mistake, no error. Okay. So here we have this one. Okay. So if you want to give some number to it, you can give. Fine. So for this, you need to write here begin equation and end equation. Of course, let me reduce this one. And then we have one reference number. So let me see where is the one. This one is 1. So let me click here. So there is 1 here. So let me copy this one. Okay. Let me copy this reference. I can copy this one. And then I will tell how to cite this one. Okay. So here is 1. And then let me go back. Go at the end. Here /bib item. And then I'm pasting here. Well, so here is there are author name. Okay, then I can put this depends on especially in uh, that is publisher wise what kind of what format they are giving us to write first name or second name first. There will be second name first or first name first, and then title and then other things. Okay, so this is the thing, and then I should give some nickname to it. So nickname both are this is Judith D. Shelley and Parul Shelley. Two authors are there, Shali. Okay, so I can give two names. Suppose I want JP. Okay, I can give JP. So it doesn't matter. You can write also D and S also you can write. You can write D and P also you can write. Whatever you feel like. Okay, JP, and then let me write here also. This depends. JP will also work. There is absolutely no problem. And then this one, this JP 2007 will be used to call this one. Just it is just like calling you at your house. Fine. Calling you at your house, that you have some name for your official purpose, that is in college or office purpose, and you have another name, another nickname which is being used to call at your house. Okay, so I have given some nickname to it. So you can see here reference has come with one number. Okay, within bracket one number. Okay, so let me go back. And then let me see where this was cited here. This was cited here. So I will write here / tilde. Tilde, I told you in few class back that this keeps two things together. It doesn't break. Okay. So equation and its number will not be breaking something from here. Okay. So here equation and then they are writing references. Fine. So I can write /cite CITE cite. Okay. And then like this. Okay. So it is saying that press control space to search. So control space I can press and then I can search it. But I think this is paid kind of thing. So let me. So I have given the nickname JP 2007. So I can write like this. Okay, fine. I should see. Let me remove this one. Pythagorean equation. Okay, so let me write C. C means one need to see this paper. Okay, so let me run and then I'll show you. It will give automatically some number to it. So we have here some number is there, one number is there, but there is no hyperlinking that just like I was clicking here and then it will redirect or it will take me to this one. Okay, so for that I need to do something. What kind of thing we can do here? Where is it? Okay, so here in the document class, after document class, I need to include some packages, and that packages are there. These packages are cite and hyperref. There are two packages. I think hyperref is not there. Maybe some another file. Yeah, here. Graphics and hyperref. These two things are needed. So I'm just copying from here. Okay. So these are the packages. These are the packages. Graphics package used for including some graphic here. So I will tell how to include a graphic in LaTeX document. And then cite cite and hyper is used to hyperlinking, and then cite is used if we are, suppose we are writing citing some references in random way. Suppose I'm writing 1 and then 5, then 21, then 5, then 7. I mean, there is no sequence in that. So it will keep in them in sequence, just like one in increasing sequence number 1, 2, then 7, then 9. Okay. So this is a used site is used for that one. So if I run this one, then you can see there will be some hyperlink. Okay, it is you can that here it is not appearing, but once you click here, it will redirect to here. But if you open it in some other file, you will be seeing this. So this is the file. This is how we can write references, and then let us see more thing how we can keep. Suppose so let me. Okay. So if you want a rearrangement of proof, suppose you want some section of it, so you can copy here and then copy from here, and then introduction. Suppose introduction finished, and then another section I'm writing. So section rearrangement of proof, and then let us paste from here. So many things has come. So QED theorem here, another reference is there, QED. Okay. So for here, let me click here, and then it will redirect me to here. So let me copy this text, and then what was his name? Donald. Let me write his nickname, that is Donald. So backslash here cite, and then Donald. Okay, Donald. You remember this one. Fine, and then give full stop here. So let me go back in the bibliography. Let me paste that, and then let me copy and then paste here and edit. So here, and then I gave nickname Donald. So I can paste here Donald. Fine. You can see there will be another section appearing. So rearrangement of group. Okay. So there 2 is coming. Once I clicking here, it is directing here. Okay. So many things, like here 3 is there, and then some other. Okay. So everything is coming. Fine. Everything is coming. So let us see. Okay. So if I want to include some pictures and all, let me debate continues. So there is another section. Okay. So let us go here. Let me make this as section, and then I will tell you how to insert a picture in this one. So here, just pasted. Okay. So for including picture, we need to have some command, whether it has created output or not. For that, I'm just clicking here, and I will copy and paste. So here, from here, let me cut this. 2 times. Yes. Okay. So essentially, the command is start, begin figure, and end figure, and then centering is used to put the figure in the center. Okay. And then include graphics is the command which is used for including picture. Okay. And then I can give width and height in inch and all. So let me give 6 centimeter width, and HEIGST, and height equals to 6 centimeter as well. You can give these as in inches also. Okay. So here caption, when you are uploading some picture in Facebook or social media platform, you are giving many times caption. So that kind of caption should be here, should be written here. So related to this picture, okay. So Pythagoras, okay, representation, okay, representation, and then label just like if I want to call this picture, so I will write suppose pick one. So I'm just giving some nickname to it. Wherever I want, I can call with this one. Okay. So but I didn't what I say that included until now any picture. If I run now, then it will give us error. Okay. So for that uh, we need to upload some picture. Okay. Let us go back. So to upload the picture here, he should upload the picture. Okay. So for that this was of my file. I need to upload some picture. And if you are working with this file with software, then you need to keep that picture in the same folder also. Same folder. Okay. So here there are options are there, new folder and then new, and then upload option is there. So you can upload from here. So just click on upload. No, here new file. No. Upload. And select from your computer. So I have downloaded a few files. Let me see. You can upload any JPG or PNG file. So there are two. Let me take this one. I kept already on the desktop. Okay. So thing is that you need to remember the name. The name you can see from here, Pythagorean.png. So I need to write here. You need to in fact, let me copy from here. There is no option for copy. So that name should be same. That is the name of the picture should be as the name of picture you have given. Okay. Let us see. So Pythagorean. Okay. Pythagorean. And then let us run to see. I think a picture has come. Okay. So here the picture has come. Okay. But the thing is that you see this picture is coming above this section, but you have put this figure in this section. Okay. You see the caption is coming here. Fine. So for that where you have inserted the picture, this should come at the same place. So you should write here H and then exclamatory sign. This will force this picture to be here only, not above this section. That is where you have written, it will appear at that place. Okay. So you can see here, you see earlier this section number 3 was coming here, but now when we use a exclamatory sign, it is coming just within this section. Fine. So this is how we can include pictures. Okay, fine. So if I want to write something about this one and there is a label, okay, so I can write like this. The figure. Now I need not to write figure 1. Okay, I need not to write figure 1. Just it is if you can see here figure 1 is written. Okay, but this is coming automatically. I should give ref if I want to refer this one, r backslash ref, and then what we have written here, pick something, pick 1. I have written pick 1. Okay. So this should be as it is written there. So pick 1 gives okay, gives geometrical representation of dot dot. Anyway, let us not write too much. Okay, let us run, and then you can see I have not written 1 and 2, but it will give the number automatically. Okay, you can see 1 is coming. Okay, figure 1. Okay, similarly, okay, let me give this some number here also. What is where is that mathematical expression? This one mathematical expression is there. So let me write begin equation. Begin equation. So equation, begin equation and end equation, and let me copy here. Remove it here. So I can give some label here also. Label. So label, you can write any nickname to it. Suppose I am writing S1 from section 1. This is equation number 1, but it has nothing to take and give with the number, the equation number, which is going to appear for this one. Okay, you can give any nickname and then you can call, but this nickname should be unique for each equation. Okay, each equation you can see here equation number will be appearing, but now how you can see here it is coming in the left, but if you want in the right, so for that you have to write here in the square bracket. If you want to increase the font, you can write it 12 point, and then if you want equation number to appear in the right, then REQNO, right equation number. Okay, left it is default. The left it is default. So REQNO. So right equation number it will produce. Okay. So here you can see equation number is now appearing in the right. Fine. Okay. So this is how. Okay. So many things are there. Okay. If now I want to refer this equation. Okay. So suppose I want to write here the equation. Then I will write REF. If I want to refer some equation number, then I need to write EQREF, equation refer. Okay, so I have given what I have given SE1, fine, is the Pythagorean triplet. Okay, Pythagorean triplet. Okay. So I can execute and see then. So you see here, here is the equation, and then here automatically there is a linking. Okay, there is a linking. This equation I didn't write one there, but one is coming. Okay, fine. Okay, so these are the things, and then what else I need to tell you? What is there? I think you have class after this one, no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes, sir. Okay, so
Yes,
let
sir.
us stop. So, but thing is that you have, I think you have learned so many things. Let me tell you one more thing before we finish this one. So, if you want to begin, write some equation theorem, then THEOREM, begin theorem, and then you have end theorem. Write theorem here. Okay. So let me see if it is running, or we need to write some package and all. Let us see. I think this is telling that the theorem environment is undefined. So I think we need to give some, okay, from here, we can write from here. These all things we need to include there. Okay, these commands. So if you want theorem, I need to write THM. Okay, so these commands should be written here in the preamble. Okay, and then let us. Okay, so the shortcut is THM. So I need to write here THM. Okay, THM. So let us run and then see. So if we have theorem here, okay, and then similarly you can write proof also, environment of proof. So begin proof. Begin proof and end proof. So write proof here. So we have proof. Okay, so like this we can write. So automatically theorem number is coming, and then proof is coming, and then where proof ends, there you will be getting some box kind of thing. Okay. Okay, with this now we don't have time, so let us stop discussion for today.